Annyeonghaseyo Yorban. I'm your Korean language teacher Ahmad. Today is the second part of chapter number 1, and in this video we will discuss ilki and thitki at the end of chapter number 1. Now our question number 1 is Thaum Thano wa Kwange innan kosen moot imnika. Thaum is next, Thano is word. Kwange innan is a relation, caution is object, and moat imnika is what? What is the relation with this word? This word is Nara. Now, in the answers, Nepal is country name. So, our answer is Nepal. So, our next question 2 and 3 is Pinkane blanks. Thorokhal is go in. Khajang is the most. Almajan better. Kausal is object. Khorshipshio select. Now our word is Chikop. Chikop is profession, farmer. So our answer is Nobu. And Tegushi is a city name. Kukchok is nationality. In answers, Obu is fisherman. Namja is male. Vietnam is a country name. So our answer is Vietnam. Busanchi is a city name. Now, in the number 4 and 5, I already mentioned everything. So, let's start. Thom next. Kal is actually paragraph and article. Neyung is content. Khatan is similar and matching. Object is khosal. Khorishipshur select. Now, this is Vegukin Thungnok Chung. The Vegukin is a foreigner and Thungnok is a registration and Chung is for card. So, this is foreigner registration card like the ID card of a foreigner. Now, in the start, Vegukin Thungnok Pano. This is a registration number of a foreigner. This is your registration number. Next is Songmyong. Songmyong is a name. Her name is VN. And Kukga. Kukka is also nationality. Vietnam. She is from Vietnam. And Cheryo Kagyok. Cheryo Kagyok is visa status. She is on E9 work visa. And issue date is Phalgam Ilja. Ilja is date and Phalgam is issue. So this is issue date. Next is Seoul Churipguk Vegukin Chongjang. This is Seoul Immigration Veguk in Foreigner Department. Now our answer will be Vietnam Saram Imnida because she is from Vietnam. Next is Sangil Oval Shipil Imnida. This is not Sangil, this is issue date. Next is Chirvole Vegukin Tungnov Jangal Phatam Nida. She collect her ID card on the 5th month and 10 date. So this is not correct. Next is Chorepguk Vegukin Chongje E Elhamnida. She is working at immigration of Seoul. No, she not worked there. She just collect her ID card from Seoul immigration. Now, question number 5. Hanguk Korean Saramdal people. Chashin Boda is as compared to themselves. As compared to themselves. Naiga. Nai is age. Man gona. Man is more. Na is or. Chivi is senior. Like if you have your supervisor, your company owner, and your teacher is senior than you. Nuphan is more. Saram person. Ege. Insa is greeting. Hori. Hori is waist. And Gupyo is bending. Insa hamnida greeting. Korean people bend their waist at the time of greeting if someone is a senior in age and in profession. Now the next line is Chashin Boda as compared to themselves. Ori. Ori is children. Na is or. Chinhan is frank. Saram is person, like your best friends. Sonal is hand and Handal is wave. Wave their hand. And Insa Hamnida is greeting. And Korean people wave their hands when someone is younger than themselves and like frank friends and best friends. Now next line, uh, Kongchok in. Kongchok in is public, in the public. Sang Hwang is situation, in public situation. Churo is usually, churo usually. Aksu is shake hand. Hamyo is at that time doing insa hamnida greeting. And in the public situation, they shake hand with the person. Ite at that time. Chashin Boda as compared to themselves. Naiga age. Hawelshin age is really mangona more than themselves. And na is and. Chiviga Napan is senior in profession. Saram person. Iramyon if they are. Venson is left hand. Uro with the left hand. Udanpal is right arm. Padchi is holding. Aksu is shake hand. Hamnida. At that time, in the situation of public places, if someone is really senior in age and in profession, they will hold right arm with the left hand at the time of greeting. Now there are answers. Our correct answer is number 4. So this is our answer. Number 4 is correct. Now there is Turkey. Let's get started.
1번. 다음을 듣고 빈칸에 알맞은 것을 고르십시오.
다음을 듣고 빈칸에 알맞은 것을 고르십시오. 다음 next. Third go is listen. 빈칸에 is blanks. And 알맞은 is better. And 것을 is object. 고르십시오 select.
태국.
태국. Our answer is number 1. 태국.
다음을 듣고 물음에 알맞은 대답을 고르십시오.
다음 next 듣고 listen. 물음에 is question. 알맞은 better. 대답 is answer. And 고르십시오 is select.
2번.
회사원입니까?
회사원입니까? Are you a company employee?
1. 네, 회사원입니다.
네, 회사원입니다. Yes, I am company employee. So this is our answer.
2. 네, 회사원이 있습니다.
네, 회사원이 있습니다. This is yes, there is company employee. This is not our answer.
3. 아니요, 회사원이 많습니다.
아니요, no, 회사원이 많습니다. There are many public workers.
4. 아니요, 회사원이 좋습니다.
아니요, no, 회사원, company employee, 좋습니다 is good. No, this is not answer as compared to our question. The question was, 회사원입니까? Are you a company employee? The answer will be, 네, 회사원입니다. Yes, I am company employee.
3번.
어느 나라 사람입니까?
어느 나라 사람입니까? From where you are. What is your country name?
1. 남자입니다.
남자입니다. I am a male. So this is not answer.
2. 기술자입니다.
기술자입니다. I am a technician. This is not answer.
3. 30살입니다.
30살입니다. I am 30s. No, this is not answer.
4. 네팔 사람입니다.
네팔 사람입니다. This is our answer. I am from Nepal.
4번부터 5번까지. 두 사람은 무엇에 대해 말하고 있습니까?
두 사람, these two persons. Mo or what? They is about. 말하고 있습니까? What the two persons are talking about.
4번.
안녕하세요. 저는 네팔 사람입니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 네팔 사람입니다. I am from Nepal.
안녕하세요. 저는 몽골 사람입니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 몽골 사람입니다. I am from Mongol. So they are talking about Kukchok. Kukchok is nationality.
5번. 어부입니까?
어부입니까? Are you a fisherman?
아니요. 저는 농부입니다.
아니요, no. 저는 I am. 농부 is farmer입니다. I am a farmer. So they are talking about Chikop. Professions. This is our answer.